saying that we have to draw this part that we see in front of us. Okay, dimensions in millimeters. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in PDF, and then we're gonna also put it in IDW file. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go metric, standard, millimeter. There, we're gonna say create. Okay. So once we're here, we're gonna go for this sketch. Okay. And then I'm gonna start with a line. Let me start with a line. So that is my line from there up to there. Okay, this is just a line for reference. Then I'm gonna have two circles. That's one. Okay, and this one. Okay, and then I want the circle to be equal to that one first. Then I want from there, okay, to here to be 86 millimeters, right? So 86 millimeters, there we go. Okay, so once I have that one in place, I'm gonna have this big part, the one that you're seeing there. Okay, so come here, I'll draw it, that one, and I want this one to be 70 millimeters, so 70 millimeters. So once that is done, okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for other two circles, small ones. Okay, that one, or those one I should say, and then another one and another one, right? So I want now this one here, okay, to be 32 millimeters. So 32 millimeters, that's great. And I want this one here to be 13, that's close, 12.8, 13 millimeters. Then I should say this should be equal to that, right? I'm good there. Then now I'm gonna go for lines. So I want this line from there, okay, up to there, come on, up to there, another one, from there up to there, another one, from here up to there, and this one from here, I should say up to there. Now I want this to be tangent to that, this to be tangent to that, that's one to be tangent to that, and this to be tangent to this. Again, this need to be tangent to that, close, that need to be tangent to that. Okay, we good. I come here, those need to be tangent to that, we go there, then that need to be tangent to that. Okay, so once I have that in place, what I can do, I can say escape. I don't want those signs there. Then the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trim. So I'm gonna trim this part, that one, this one. I'm going step by step. That one, this one, and that one. Okay, this is my frame. Again, I need to trim this line here. So again, I'm gonna trim that, this, and that. Are we good now? I think we're good. I'm gonna go escape to remove this, escape, and then I don't need this. Okay, I don't need this, so I can just as well say what shall I say, delete. Okay, so I'm gonna delete that one. Okay, so then I'm gonna go for 3D model. There I'm gonna want to extrude, so I'm gonna extrude this part. Okay, it's in two parts because of this line that you see there, that line, so it's not a big issue. So this one gonna be extruded by 28 millimeters, so 28 millimeters, I should say. Okay, then I'll come here, I'll click there, then I say sketch visible. If you can see, account option, now it's back there. So sketch visible, now I can see the sketch. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go for 3D model again. I say extrude. So I'm gonna extrude this part here. Okay, this time not by 28 millimeter, but by 14 millimeters. That's good. I'm happy with my job. Right, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so now I need to kill this corner. You see this? I need to kill that corner. Okay, so I'll come here, and then I'll click on that, and then I'll use the chamfer. So that's one need to be killed by 3 millimeters. So you can see that 3 millimeters. Then I say okay. So this is how my drawing looks like. Right, so I'm gonna remove my visibility. Come there, say visibility off. Once this is done, the next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go now. So if I want, I can save it. Let's say this first. Okay, so I'm gonna come there and say save as. Don't worry about it. Then I say part 3. That's fine. So once I save it, what I can do is I come there, okay, and then I need to project it in an IDW file. So metric IDW file millimeter, I say create. So once we're here, what we need to do is, in this case, we need to do projection in third angle. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come here, you click on manage. After that, you click on style editor. Okay, you're gonna wait a little bit. Then here we go. So you see the first one, standard, default standard. Once we're here, you come on view preferences. You click there. Then you can choose which angle you want your projection to be in, like first angle projection. You click there, it's highlighted there. Third angle projection, you click here. Okay, and then you say save, close. Also here, you right click. Okay, I'm gonna right click. There is my base view. So what I can do is I can change it. I want it to be like not like that, like this. Okay, then I can make it bigger. So here I can say scale to 1, so it's bigger there. Right, then there is my projection. Okay, on third angle, so that's one. It comes here. Let me put this one there first. Okay, so there's another projection, and then I can put this one here. It's fine. And then I say okay. So once I say okay for this one, I'm gonna go and say save it. So I'm gonna save it as save it as IDW file. So IDW file, save. Now I want to save it as a PDF. So what I'm gonna do again, I'm gonna come there. Okay, then I say export it. So I'm gonna export it as a PDF, not as an image, but as a PDF. So I click there. Then here I say part IDW, and then I say PDF. Okay, then I say enter. That's it. That's it. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourselves and see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. Bye, see you next time.